Hi MMM community. Ako nga pala si Paul from Dasmariñas, Cavite, and also an active member of MMM Global Philippines. Noong August 23, 2015, nag-provide po ako ng help amounting to 5,000 pesos. And kahapon, August 24, nag-request ako ng assistance amounting to 5,500 pesos. Papasalamat ako sa following participant na nag-provide sa akin ng assistance. James Gold for providing me 1,700. Gemma for providing me 2,000. Antonio Oximer for providing me 1,800 pesos. Thank you to these following participants. And thank you to Mr. Sergio Magoti. And to all the active members of MMM Global Philippines. Thank you sa inyo. And long live MMM. Together we can change the world.